Hi everyone, welcome back to the series. So in this video we will complete the Lambda related settings, and obviously step functions and also S3. So the next prompt in this sequence is related to Lambda. Let me just pick that up and I'll just put it here. So what I'm telling is to complete the Lambda resources under the modules section, right? So let's see. So it has created these three files automatically, where it has put the resource Lambda function for the ingestion and compliance lambdas, okay, and it has put the properties which are very common or standard as far as this resource is concerned, like function name, s3 bucket, key, handler, runtime, the role ARN, very, very important, and publish and tags. I mean, we can remove the publish and tags for now because they are not required, and I want to keep it very simple, and not to do complex stuff right now, right? And plus obviously you have these variables getting declared in the variables.tf, okay. So you can put a default a value in a lot of these variables, which I'm going to do now. So instead of handler, for handler we will have main.handler. Basically for each of the lambdas we will have a main.py, because that's how I want to structure my lambdas, or I generally do it. It's up to you. You can put handler or abcxyz, that up to you, right? I like to do it this way, so I'm just putting it like this. Yes, so I think for both the lambdas it is having one variable only, which is fine. You can have different variables for the two lambdas, but I think here it's not required. We can have one variable because for both we will have main.handler only as the entry point. And I think other things are self-explanatory. We are not having any default values for them. For runtime they are using Python 3.10, which is fine. So they will be using Python 3.10 to run the Python code, that is whatever code you will put in the main.py in your lambda, it would use this runtime, okay. And we'll see how the compliance role ARN and ingestion role ARN we are able to receive for us to set things up, right? uh, and in the output it is basically as I had mentioned in the prompt, to output the lambda ARN for ingestion and compliance lambdas, and the name of the lambdas getting created, right? So the name is nothing but the function name, because these are generally the most common getting used in other modules. So we want to output these settings from the setup, right? So more or less lambda setup is done. Now how we will receive the values of these properties, that is something we will look at in the future videos, but for now we are done with lambda. What I'll do is I'll do the s3 and step functions settings in the next video, along with the modules section which we would place in the main.tf, right? That also we'll do in a future video. I'll stop this video right now because I don't want to make it too big. Hope it was informative, and hope it was in continuation to what we did in the last video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.